Today I'm going to show you a website that you can combine with Google in order to make hundreds of dollars online in passive income. This has nothing to do with selling or promoting anything, no social media platforms are involved, and it will work in your country no matter where you're from. If you're interested to make it work, then make sure to follow me step by step till the end of this video without missing any instruction. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Ademia's World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since I'll notify you whenever I post a new video like this one on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. With all of that said, let's now start with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. So the first thing you need to do is to go over to Google. As I said before, we'll be using a simple Google trick to get paid today, and so you now want to come over to Google and you want to search for stuff along the lines of cute cats, cute dogs, beautiful sunsets, nature, and so on. You'll find great looking images, and here's the thing, you'll want them in all different niches, so you want photos that are all unrelated to one another, and I'll show you why when we go over to the other platform. In any case, I searched for cute puppies here as an example, as you can see, and now what you need to do before you download the photo is to click on Tools here, and then you'll be able to see here Usage Rights, click on it, and finally select Creative Commons licenses. Now, as some of you may guess, this is the Google trick I was talking about before, and not many people know about this at all, and what this does is that it gives you the license to freely use any one of these photos shown here. If you downloaded the photos from before and use them, you'll get taken down for copyright, but now you can use any one of these for free. From there, you'll simply want to find the best images and you want to click on it, and then you have to right click and you have to select Save Image As, so you can download it to your computer. From there, you want to search for something different, as I said before, for example sunsets, and once again find one that you like. But before, you need to click on Tools, Usage Rights, Creative Commons licenses, and then find a picture that you like, click on it, right click on that, and then select Save Image As, so you can download it on your computer. And you're going to repeat the same process for all the images in whatever niche you're going to pick until you have around 10 images or so. With that said, you'll want to come over now to the platform that I've mentioned time and time again, and the platform that will actually pay us today, which is called clickasnap.com. And immediately when you come over here, you'll see that it says it pays to share. Sign up and get paid for your content, and your content will indeed be the images that you downloaded before on Google for absolutely free without even having to take them yourself. The way this works is as follows. You upload an image on these websites, and whenever someone views it, they'll see a bunch of ads on the side of the image, and the website is going to share the ad revenue with the person who uploaded the photo, which in this case is going to be you. And just a side note here, I guess most of you watching this video don't have a camera, but if you happen to have one and to be a decent photographer, then it will be a better option to simply take the photos yourselves. This will add originality to your images, and in the end you are going to do something you love, and also you're going to get paid. Now, with that said, this platform has been around for quite some time and it wasn't that popular not too long ago, but for whatever reason it blew up and now it has millions of visits every single month. As you can see here, it will pay you 70 cents per image viewed. This used to be just 15 cents, and even though 70 cents may still seem like a small amount of money, it's not, because if 100 people view your photo, that's already $70 made in passive income. And this site gets millions of visits, so it's nearly guaranteed that you'll get some decent views at the very least. So now it's the perfect time to take advantage of this website, and of course of the fact that it's gotten so popular and that it started paying more for the photos. Here you're going to see some more information regarding the payment. The minimum payout is $15, and down here you're going to see how it works. You upload your photos, then the users view your photos, and you're going to get paid for that. Once your payment reaches $15, you can request to withdraw your money. Payments are made through PayPal, so PayPal is the available payment method. And something else I really want to show you are the numbers which you can see on this platform called similarweb.com, which I've mentioned before in my channel. As you can see, this site is being visited by over 1.9 million of people every single month, and sometimes even more. So even if you get a small percentage of these people viewing your photos, you'll still manage to make a lot of money. You just need to upload the photos, and that's all the work you have to do. So let's get back to Click a Snap here, and right now what you need to do is to sign up for absolutely free by clicking on the sign up button up here. From there, all you need to do is to put some information about yourself, just like your first name, last name, a username, an email address, a password, and so on. And once you sign up, there is a bit of a catch that I want to mention with this site. It isn't 100% free if you do want to get paid for people viewing your photos. But take a look at this. In order to get paid for views, you just need to invest £2 a month, which is like less than $3 for an entire month, while you can literally make thousands of dollars during that time. I know this is a bit of a disappointment for many of you, but I can assure you it will be well worth it to invest such a small amount of money into this site. And once you do, you can just use Google to upload like 10 images a day, and once you have a few dozen of them, you'll be able to make thousands of dollars in passive income. From there, even some of your older photos will get views months and months after they've been uploaded, because new people are discovering this site every single day. Anyway, if you don't want to invest any of your money into this website, then what you can do is to come over to my channel and then check out some of my other videos where I'm going to show you different methods on how to make money online, so you can make your first couple of dollars and then invest some of them here on Click a Snap. Now, something else that I want to show you guys is, since you're going to get paid through PayPal, you're going to go over to the paypal.com official website, and then you're going to see why I told you that it is available worldwide. Because PayPal is available worldwide. You're going to see all of these countries right here, and most likely your country is here too. So you're going to just sign up on PayPal. You're going to create an account if you don't have to, because that's how you're going to get paid with Click a Snap, as I told you before. In order to do so, you just need to click on the sign up button up here, and then you're going to select personal account and then just click on continue. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you follow me till the end of it and got every instruction right. And I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and a comment down below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and Enemy World with notifications on. Thank you for watching.